Hello everyone, this is Hasib from Bengali Petrol Heads, and I am back after 2 years of no uploading because this is an occasion worth filming. It's a fine Friday morning where the majority of the GTRs of Bangladesh have gracefully shown up to Cafe Sao Paulo, and I'm gonna walk you through all of them. Start off, we have this white GTR with a walled body kit. Really nice front bumper, a lot of carbon fiber, big wheels, rear over fenders. It's a little extra, but I like it. It suits the GTR. Really nice spoiler too. This is one of two facelift GTRs in the country, at least a 2017 one. The other one's over there. This one just got an exhaust, I forget which brand. Nice wheels. The brakes are crazy looking in this thing. Insane. Very handsome looking car. It's also tuned and it's very fast. Here we have the other facelift GTR of the country. It's very orange and I really like it. APR performance wing, Vossen wheels. I don't know what diffuser it is, but looks unique, looks nice. Here's a better look from the front end. Here we have another GTR. I don't know too much about this car. Carbon fiber, Vossen wheels. Let's see if this one has an exhaust. Oh, a lot more carbon fiber. Armor tricks, very nice. Here's my favorite GTR of the bunch. It is a 2015 GTR Nismo, the only one in the country. And believe it or not, all of this carbon fiber and fancy stuff comes perfectly from factory. This car has been PPF'd. Here's another fun one. This car has been on the channel and that video actually did pretty well. This video was first filmed when the car was initially acquired by our friend, and a few things are different now. Custom wheels and a few things under the engine, a few overhauls and repairs and refreshes after. This is a very capable, very fast car. Here's the last one for now. I think we're expecting another red one here. The car isn't here yet. Also very nicely modified 2017 front bumper, really nice wheels. Are those carbon ceramics? They might be. Really nice. As far as I know, this is a carbon hood, but it is painted, which I really like. You know, subtle stuff like that I really appreciate. Another cool thing about this car is has an Aero Motions spoiler wing, whatever you want to call it, where you can see it can go up and down depending on how you want it to function. Very nice. Speak of the devil, and the red one just showed up. It's on really nice wheels, stands perfectly, if I may argue. Really nice spoiler. It's a crazy looking exhaust, I love it. And that's my friend taking photos of all the GTRs. Thank you everyone for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next upload in 2027.